Hi everyone, it's Michelle from Noble Touch, and today we are going to do one of those cute Christmas gnomes that you've been seeing around. My aunt did one and sent me a picture, and I loved it. So cute, I had to try it. So what you're going to need, this is just some cuttings of pine that I got from our trees out here. You're going to need a tomato cage, some zip ties, plastic bags, a sock or nylon. I think mine's a trouser sock, and then some twine. And then we can decorate it afterwards with anything else we would like. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so what we're going to do first is just take some plastic bags, everyone has them, and stuff them in the sock. And then you can just form it. It's pretty easy, like that. And then we're going to go ahead and zip tie it to the tomato cage. Okay, so now we went ahead and just zip tied the nose on one of the poles. I zip tied the top as well. And now we're just going to go ahead and start zip tying the pine to the frame. And once we're done with that, we will put the hat on. Okay, so what I did was I stuffed some more plastic bags up here in the head just so it would give it some fullness to the hat. So I'm just taking this pillowcase, put my scissors up. I'm just bringing the pillowcase down around. Bring it down over the nose. And I put some blue spruce in this way just to give it a little mustache. And we can kind of just do something cute here. So I have some twine. Let's see here. I don't know how big of a piece we're going to need. That knot. So we can just do something cute here with the twine. Probably easier said than done. So we can just do something with the hat, and I think I'm going to stuff it a little bit more so it sticks up a little bit better. Or I don't know, what do you think? Think that looks cute right there? And then of course we can decorate the hat with anything. I think I'm going to hang some Christmas bulbs off of his beard. And maybe decorate the hat a little bit more. And I will take pictures when I'm all said and done. But that's pretty much the gist of them, and you can add lights to them or anything like that. So that was fun. Hope you enjoyed it. Although your hands, if you're using real pine, are going to be sap and sticky. So thanks for joining me. Have a great day.